In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add and find friends on Discord. Let's get started. First up, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this icon given at the top left. Now click on the option Add Friends. Now here you're going to find different options. You are able to use these options to send invite. As you want to use username and add the friend, click on the option Add by Username. Now here, go ahead and type in the username of the person to whom you want to add. After you type in, click on Send Friend Request. If a friend has already sent you a request, you can also view it in the same section and simply tap the green check mark to accept it. After you send the request, your friend needs to accept your request. After friend request has been accepted, you will be able to send them the text. So that's it. This way you can easily find and add friends on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.